Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use voice commands in Google Docs on a Windows PC. First, open docs.google.com in Chrome and load the document where you want to dictate. Voice typing works best in Chrome. Next, click Tools, Voice Typing, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus S. A microphone box will appear on the left-hand side of the screen. If prompted, allow your browser to use the microphone. Then, select your language from the drop-down, click the microphone icon and start speaking clearly. Use short voice commands to format and edit as you go. For example, you can say new line, new paragraph, comma, period, bold that, select next word or undo, depending on which command you wish to pass. After that, pause by clicking the mic again. Click to resume when you are ready. If accuracy drops, check your microphone settings, reduce background noise, or speak a bit slower. Finally, review the text and correct any mistakes manually. For long documents, combine voice typing with manual edit to speed up drafting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.